Hello everyone, my name is Madhul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO at Solver Private Limited. And in this series of ERPNext and Frappe, today we are going to learn a very important thing, which is how to create a purchase order inside ERPNext. So as you all know, inside ERPNext there is a separate section for buying and selling, right? So you can manage separately your all the purchases and all your sales, right? So in this video we are going to explain or explore the buying features which are available inside ERPNext, and we are going to create a simple purchase order also. So if I click on buying, we see that all these options are present nowadays in version 16, which is very clean and very effective also as compared to version 15. Okay, so my today's goal is to show you how to create a purchase order. So you have to click on purchase order, click on plus, okay, and from here you can select a supplier whom you want to use as a person to purchase something, right? So I'll just select a supplier. If you don't have a supplier, you can create a new supplier by just clicking on create a new supplier. Okay, I'll just use this. I'll select a required by date, by when I want this product to be delivered and where I want it to be delivered. So I want it inside my stores. Okay, over here in the item list you can see that there are multiple items and I want to add maybe 10 items. So what I can do is I can go inside advanced search, and one by one I can add multiple items, okay, by putting some quantity. So I'll just put quantity 20, again similarly 20, right? More, I'll just go down, I'll put 20, okay, and then 120. Okay, this is what I want to purchase. Now I don't have any rate till now, so what I'll do is I'll just put a basic rate of one t-shirt, right? So rate would be 150 rupees, and for 150 rupees I want to get all this products, okay, of different quantities. Okay, 150, okay. This is the basics which we want to add. Okay, over here you can see that address and everything is already fetched. So when you create a supplier, you have an option to create all these details. Now this is very important. Inside terms and conditions, I want to add few conditions for this purchase order, right? So the first condition is that 50% advance payment would be made on confirmation, right? Secondly, if there is any wear and tear, supplier has to refund the money or give a substitute product. Okay, fine. Packaging should be good. Okay, so this is basic terms and condition which I want to add. All right, so if I just save this, right, so GST is again mandatory over here, but this is how you can create a custom purchase order. If you have any other type of taxes and charges, you can add it over here instead. Like if you have any instead GST, so you can just click on instead. If you have any freight and forwarding charges, you can come from here and select freight and forwarding. You can put a tax rate, so for example 5% is forwarding charges. So that is how it will be added over here, and this is how you can create a purchase order inside ERPNext. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching till here. Bye bye.